Cookie? How'd you do that?
Well, he said the only thing that would make him happy is if I stopped singing.
That's right. And now I'm happy. See? He's kind of creepy.
Double creepy.
Well, this calls for a celebratory dinner. And look what we got from the garden. Fresh green beans.
Green beans? You know I can't stand your... I mean, wow! Green beans sound yummy!
How are the green beans, Grumpy?
Spectacular, Doc. As you know, I don't normally like green beans. I find them hideous and revolting. But these green beans? Yummers! Really good. Oh, you're chewing with your mouth open. I can see all the green bean bits in there. Isn't that delightful? And you just sneezed green beans all over me. Oh, that's comical. Well, I'm gonna go have a little lie down, eh?
Wow, I've never seen Grumpy so happy.